Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and it's raining. I think Mike went out for his walk, so he's going to be drenched. Oh, yeah. I moved the chairs out of the way. They were getting all wet. So, today's Tuesday. Mike's cousin Denise and her husband Walt are coming around noon, and we're gonna spend some time with them, go out to lunch, maybe go down to the pier if it isn't some pouring rain. So, alright, it's time for coffee. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Alright, we've had a morning full of thunderstorms and lightning and rain. Now it looks like it's trying to clear up. We have a handyman here. He's putting in the new garbage disposal, and he's going to take a look at the smoke detectors. And then the delivery guys are here delivering the stuff from the mattress barn. We got the queen size bed, a day bed from them, and let's see, is that all we got? I think so, yeah. So they're doing that, and then tomorrow Sam's stuff gets delivered. We got a dining room table and chairs, a recliner chair, and a dresser. It's actually a hall cupboard thing, but it's really nice looking. It's going to be the dresser in the second bedroom. So I'll show you guys that stuff when it's all put in place. Alright, see you later. And Mike's cousin Denise and her husband Walt are on their way, so we're going to spend the afternoon with them. Hopefully the weather gets better. Bye. Alright everyone, it's Tuesday, and Mike's cousin Denise and her husband Walt came to visit. They live 2 hours south of here. And we are at Rusty's at Port Canaveral. We came back for lunch over here.
Well, one of the girls has one.
And as you can see, it's mostly cleared up and the sun is out, and it's another beautiful day. There I am. Hello! Alright. That's it for lunch. Bye.
It's so good.
Alright, we're on the Cocoa Beach Pier.
Yeah, when you go into a cruise and there's cruise area,
And
go right.
there are surfers, and we think that that's the launch area out there. You can see it for the space shuttle. And there are people fishing. See if these guys are having any better luck. not like Hawaii where they have those huge swells. Oh my God. Those guys are crazy to do that. So we're going to go to the My Tiki Bar. Fishing permitted except when the Tiki Bar is open unless you're on this part of the pier. Sail. We're gonna get a drink.
You'll see a little space and then a dark windows. It's right in front of that, the two buildings.
Oh, okay.
That's our spot. And I know that because I got lost the other day.
Walking back?
Here? No, I got close and I said, I am way. I didn't know where the hell